Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Developers subsequently introduced the early access launch date for Darkest Dungeons 2, confirming that the predicted sequel will arrive at the Epic Games Store in past year October. Fans have been awaiting the sequel to Darkest Dungeon for the reason that Authentic released on January 19, 2016. Over 5 years later, gamers will subsequently get to leap lower back to Red Hook Studios' gothic faction role-playing sport, exploring dungeons with a roster of acquainted heroes. Though now no longer a good deal has been found out approximately about the cherished franchise subsequent installment. The sport will hold for its signature a gothic horror fashion and 2D design. Red Hook Studios introduced the early get right of the launch date for Darkest Dungeon 2 in a Twitter summit, and the builders showed that the sport can be coming to Epic Games Save on October 26, 2021. The submit hyperlinks to the Darkest Dungeon 2 Save webpage. On the webpage, the builders wrote that DD2 will take a look at your metal and force you to edge of madness. Armor yourself with reason and provision for the adventure ahead. It can be arduous, and the sport handiest gives an option, drastically neglecting any pre-buy choices. The save webpage became additionally void of any price. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. While lovers remain dissatisfied through the Epic Games Store distinctive deal, it smiles a welcomed wonder to get a professional launch date for the Darkest Dungeon 2 early get right of entry 2. Fans have waited for almost a year, awaiting any shape of affirmation for the reason that trailer randomly dropped ultimate October. Not loads is understood approximately about the long-awaited sequel, aside from the truth that the sport will preserve its Lovecraft-stimulated roguelike challenge. And if the screen trailer may be trusted, then gamers may have gotten right of entry to Augmented Faces. This is even as they try to triumph over dungeons and war via hell. While it was not sure, it's probable the Darkest Dungeon 2 will even hold its specific pressure mechanics. It constitutes of the intellectual turmoil adventures go through while going through Lovecraft-simulated eldritch horrors. The characteristic provides an in a particular tough detail to a sport and works to inform the tale and construct characters in an amusing and thrilling way. Hopefully, the sequel remains real to its authentic flavor, with horror at its flip and new phobias obtained through each character and gamers. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.